Journal for Africa is an emerging magazine with a thrust on nature and travel. It features stories and pictures about Africa shared by those who passionately love the continent. It showcases pictures of the great African continent and testimonials shared by travelers and nature lovers across the globe.